Hi, good morning. Today we will see isometric views. So let us see the problem which is asked by one of the student. So this is the problem one of the student asked. The front view and top view of the objects are given. This is the front view and this is called as top view. Let us try to analyze the object. So here a number of circles are there. One is circle of 40 radius, the other one is circle of 20 and heights are given. So let us try to analyze that. It is a cylinder. So top view is a circles and front view is a rectangle and the hollow portion is indicated with the lines. So it is a hollow cylinder. So like we need to understand. Next thing is this side now we will have one more circles. This is a circle one. This is one circle. This is a circle of radius 20 There is a circular radius 15 Here a circle of radius 10 is there. So and heights, corresponding heights are given. So one large circle now it will be having a height of 20 15 mm. The small circles will be there now, 15 and 10 will be there now. So those are placed at a distance of 20 from the base. Next thing is here hollow portion is indicated. So that means here we will get hollow portion. Here this side also at a distance of 30 now you will get one more circle here, half circle, and that is the radius is 10 One more outer circle is there. For that radius will be 15 Next here the midpoint and here midpoint will be joined by means of inclined lines. The inclined line will be like this. In the front view, it will be visible. So here you will get width of the inclined lines will be 10 5 that side and 5 this of the center line. So like this we are predicting the problem. So in this problem now circles are there. First we need to understand how to draw the isometric view of the circle. So let us take circle of radius 40 let us assume. So for that now we need to construct a square isometric. First we need to construct a square of 40 So this is a 30 degrees line. This is a one axis. This is a 30 degrees line. This is other axis. So here you draw parallel line. Here you draw parallel to the 30 degrees line. So you will get the isometric view of the square. So here now you find the midpoints of the sides A, midpoints of the sides B, midpoint of the side is C, midpoint of the side is D. So corners as a center along the shortest diagonal, 2 as a center, you draw arc from D to C. You will get the isometric view of the circle. 1 as a center, you draw one arc, you will get AB from A to B. Next thing is you join A with 1 and you join D with 2, automatically you will get the some intersection point. So this one as a center, you draw D to A and join B with 1 and C with 2, you will get fourth point, intersection point. This one as a center, you draw one arc like this. So this, now you will get the isometric view of circle. Isometric view of circle. So this is the main drawing in this isometric view, because there are many number of circles are there. So we need to draw those circles and half circles. Half circle means we need to draw. You take the half of the diagram like this, and you need to predict the half circle drawing will be same procedure only. Okay. Here now in isometric view there are 3 axes will be there. All horizontal lines will be drawn on 30 degrees inclination. 30 degrees inclination, and all vertical lines will be lines will be vertical lines only. Vertical lines only. All vertical lines should be vertical lines only, whereas all the horizontal lines will be done with 30 degrees inclination. Let us go to the problem. So here, first one is we need to construct the this height is given. The what is height given here is 55 mm. This height is given 55 mm. This height is given 50 mm, 55 mm, and here radius is 40. Radius is 40 means the total width will becomes 40 plus 40. No, this will becomes 80. 80. So let us go to the diagram. Let us try to draw the diagram. So this will be 55. This will be 40 plus 40, 80. So here this is the 30 degrees line. We will measure 80. Height will be 55, and this once again 80. Height is 55. Like that we will draw the one square prism. So here by using geometrical constructions we are drawing the isometric view of the circle. Isometric view of the circle. Next thing is we are constructing one more square. The dimensions are given. The second, this one is 20 is there, no? 20 plus 20, 40 square. For the 40 square also we are constructing one isometric view by using the geometrical constructions. Isometric view by using the construction procedure of the isometric view of the circle. Now you join vertical lines like this and vertical line like this. At the bottom also we are using a construction of isometric view of the circle like this we are predicting. Now we will take the center point here, this center point. Next one is distance between the centers is given. So suppose this is the center, no? This is center of the figure, and suppose this is the center of the figure. So somewhere here you will get a center of the diagram. This will be the center of the diagram. So distance between centers is given. So this is a center. Somewhere here you will have the one more center. So that from that is given as 100. This is given as 100. So at 100 we are trying to draw the different circles. One is at base diagram. Radius is for that now radius is given as 20 mm. One radius is 20 mm. This radius is 20 mm, half circle. This radius also 20 mm, half circle. This one is 15, and we will draw one more circle. That radius will be this half circle, and this side is all half circle. That radius, this one is 15, and this one is 10. So like this we are drawing the various half circles by using the procedure of isometric view of a circle. Now here center point is there. Here center point is there. Here also center point is there. So from this center point now you measure 5 mm like this, and you measure 5 mm. Here also you measure 5 mm and you measure 5 mm. You draw those lines. You join these 2 points with scale. You will with the help of straight line. Now you join this one with the center of the diagram like this. Like you join this one with the like this you will get. Next one is this center will be, this center is there, no? This center is joined with the base. This center is joined with the base. So at this point also you draw parallel line to the base for the line. Somewhere it will be meeting this one like this. So like this we are trying to, here also you can draw one line parallel to this line. So like this we are trying to predict the isometric view of the given solid. So I hope you understand this problem. For any clarifications and doubts you can consult me or you can contact me through these details. Thank you for watching. For more videos you can subscribe me. Right side of the bottom of the corner of the video will have the subscription button. There you can press and you can subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you.